and KLA. Alright, so good morning, good evening, traders, YouTubers, depending on where you are. My name is Michael and I'm from Aegis.CMEG. So today is July 8th, 2020. So on watchlist CCL, AAL, UAL, Uber, INO, NIO, WKHS, and the newcomer is NKLA. So NKLA, this is Nikola Corporation. So this is the electric, so sorry, battery electric company, not an electric company basically. So similar to Tesla, right? I think this is yeah, I think this is British. No, this is US company. Yep. So another Tesla. So as I said yesterday, I have an issue with my hotkey, so I have to reboot my computer. So I apologize for that one. As I mentioned on the recap, I think I have a very bad habit of jumping in too early, and then suddenly usually I find myself digging out of the hole when I jumped in the first few minutes of the trade. So today I'm gonna change the strategy. So today I'm just gonna wait, right? I'm just gonna wait and ignore all of the scanners or all the alerts and everything. Okay. Okay, so time is almost 30 seconds for market open. I'll be back. Wow, market open. Look at this. AAL, wow. NIO 21 million. Wow. Seems like everybody is buying electric car these days. WH. NIO. Wow. 26 million. Oh my god. $5 million on American Airlines. So I'm shorting American Airlines, 11.53, stop loss at 11.6. Let's see if it continue go down. Yeah, American Airlines. Again, this is my really bad habit. So SPY is jumping up. Alright, I'm going long on NIO. Let's see. Stop loss at NIO. Should have taken more size on NIO. Yeah, should take more size on NIO. I'm trying to add more shares on NIO. Entering small position, kind of like chasing it a little bit on NIO, which is something that I don't like, right? So, just a little bit. I'm planning to add, when the stock retraces, I'm planning to add a few more. So I'm thinking of re-entering NIO. Stock seems like to be in retrace position, so yeah. See if this one finally the pullback that I'm looking for. Um, yeah. So um, I did quite well today. Well, this is my target, right? So it's slightly, I think slightly over 1%. So I'm not gonna, because I reached my target, so I'm not gonna do another trade because it's just a recipe for returning back all of your win, right? So I'm just gonna do a recap on the trade today. The first trade that I took is AAL, I believe. So AAL, I was planning to go short on AAL, but the stock, again, this is my weakness, right? I'm really bad at going beginning of the first 5 minutes. So I try to go short, and the stop loss is just this on this moving average, right? So it's about like 5 cents or 6 cents, and then suddenly the stock is just going, stock is jumping up, right? And you just get stopped out. So I did manage to take some position, but again, the stock is jumping up so quickly, so I have to exit the trade with a loss. The other trade that I took is NIO. NIO, I'm not really proud of it because I'm kind of like chasing it a little bit. Again, this is you have to know your weakness, right? And then learn from your weakness, because when the stock is going strong, right? You just have to wait. But in this case, the stock on the daily basis is just heavy, right? It's jumped like 15% or I'm sorry, 13% before market open. So yeah, I think I might get some luck in this. So I enter here, stop loss. I think the first trade is okay, but the other trade is just I kind of like chasing it a little bit, which is not a very good trade. So this one right here is okay, right? So I enter, stop loss is at this sport line, and I quickly scalp. Add more positions, and then I quickly scalp in the now this one on the last trade is kind of like chasing it a little bit, which is not a very good way to trade, right? So I should have wait until the stock retrace to this 5 moving average and then re-enter position. Okay, so I think that's it. This is for my trade, 1%, slightly over 1% on my account. Okay, and I guess I will see you tomorrow, same time. Okay, all right, thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Wow, NKL, hey, yeah, sweet, sweet Caroline, bum bum bum, with time. Sweet Caroline, bum bum bum, with time. Sweet Caroline. Good time. Oh, fucking son of a bitch. Come on. Pick me up here. Piece of shit. All right. Of course, this is not. Oh. What the fuck? Press that. See? Oh, well, apparently I'm still live. So I did some trade. Sorry, guys, I didn't realize that I haven't logged off. So this is actually turned out to be better than what I expected. So it's almost 3%, right? No, it's 3%. Yeah. So today is really great. So what happened is it seems like the longer I wait for like if I'm not rushing into a trade, I'm doing much better. Uh, so this is what I do. Yeah. So the I took another trade actually on the NKLA. This is the yeah. So NKLA I took trade and the first trade I win. It's positive, right? Because I took a heavy size, but on the second one it's just suddenly dropped, right? I caught the on near the top right here because I thought this is another ABCD pattern. So when I enter long, I take partial, but the stocks just drop, right? And that makes me nervous, and I quickly exit. So NKLA, I'm not doing that good. So UAL is the other one that I take. So UAL, it seems like it's just crossing this previous close. This dash line right here is its previous close day, uh, or PCL, previous close line. So this is what the last price of the stock as of yesterday. So usually it's acting as a support or resistance line. So when the stock passed and closing above this line, so naturally I was thinking that the stock is going to be continue going up, but it's a good position for long, entering long position, right? Because when I enter long, I can take position here. This is my stop loss profit target is here. So this is what I did. So I quickly scalp on the way out. So UAL I did quite nicely, and another thing is NIO. Yeah, seems like everybody's trading NIO. So NIO is the same, right? This is the first trade that I took on NIO. Quick enter, quickly scalp, and this one, the last trade I took, is very nice also. So I enter when the stock seems like it's holding this ABCD pattern. Quickly enter and then scalp. So yeah, today turned out to be a better day. Almost slightly over 3%. Yeah, which is not bad. Okay, all right. So I'm just going to log off today. Again, my name is Michael from Aegis.CMEG. I will see you tomorrow.